Okay, I got it off. I think I've been out here for about 2 hours. I called for help. I ain't getting no answer, but it's all good, man. I mean, I wanted to do it myself, so. Woo! This right here, this piece, bro, gave me a run for my money. Like, I'm filthy. I've been all up under my truck. I'm gonna have to take like 10 showers. I don't got no grease remover. I don't think I do. Been all up on the everything, man. Just, it don't even matter though, because I'm about to get to it. So, I got all this off. Look at that bad boy. The other piece is somewhere. Oh, it's right here. Gave me a run for my money. I know my video quality ain't gonna be the best because I'm moving my phone around all kind of different ways, but y'all work with me. Yeah, let me show y'all what it look like up underneath. So I just sprayed some engine brake cleaner to get all that soot or whatever that is. I think it's soot from up under there or something. At least let it fall off. And I had to cut this, which I believe protects my my lines from like erosion or I don't know, whatever. But I cut it because shit, like I said, I messed that boat up. So I just said let me cut it so I can be able to work with it. So now I gotta put the new pipe, the flex pipe, right here and right there. Then I gotta connect it all. And I tell y'all, boy, this has been a job, but it's okay because, I mean, you know, I'm getting it done. I think I'll be done before 2 o'clock. So I'm happy with that. You know, it ain't gonna be 5 o'clock. I'll be able to get me some rest in. I don't gotta leave until 12 p.m. at the latest tomorrow. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a update on my progress so far. I'm gonna try to pause the video and finish the job and then just keep this, you know, like it just be a continuation of this video rather than me posting this video and then uploading the third video. But yeah, y'all, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. It's 1:38, so it's been 1 hour, 31 minutes. That's how long it took me to put it back on. And it ain't perfect on that end, I'm not gonna lie. But the thing is, shit, the pipe is on there good. I know it's on there good. And, you know, on this side, it's on there good as well. I'm not no diesel mechanic, but listen, man, I hope this lasts me for at least 2 years. So yeah, that's me changing out the flex pipe. And that's it, man. Woo! Now I can crank the truck up and hear how it sounds. I'm filthy. Oh yeah, I'm filthy. What? Boy, life, ain't it? So yeah, show y'all how the new radiator look. Oh, I'm running out of battery. Well, I guess I'll show y'all next time.